I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and I'll be showing you how to manage dual SIM cards. So this is a dual SIM Z Fold 6, and to manage the SIM cards, just go to settings. Under settings, go to connections, tap on that, and then under connections, you should see SIM manager, tap on that, and here you have the page where you can manage the SIM cards. So I have a dual physical SIM Z Fold 6. This one is the one for the African market. So I have inserted already two physical nano SIM cards into SIM tray. And also I have the provision to add eSIMs. And currently I have one SIM card active. If I want to make the other SIM card active, all I have to do is tap on that and then confirm I want to turn on, and that SIM card is going to go active. Okay. Now, keep in mind that even though you can have more than two SIM cards, only two SIM cards can be active at one time. Okay. So you either have SIM 1 and eSIM 1 or SIM 1 and SIM 2. Okay. Now you can add as many eSIM profiles as you want, but only two SIM cards in total can be active at the same time. Now, with that selected, you can now come to this section that's called preferred SIMs. Now, this is why you choose the preferred SIM card for specific tasks, including calls. So here we have eSIM1 set as the default SIM card that's going to make calls. So anytime you make a call, it's going to go out through eSIM1. Now you can change that to the physical SIM1, this one right here, the other SIM card, or you can choose always ask. Now when you set always ask, it means anytime you're trying to make a phone call and you hit this button, it's going to ask you which SIM card you want to make a call with, and then you can choose either of the SIM cards. Okay, so that's what always ask means. And then you have messages. You can choose which SIM card will send messages at what point. Now by default, when someone texts you on either of the SIM cards, that's going to be the default SIM card for that particular conversation. So you might have set eSIM1 as a default messages SIM card, and someone texts you or sends you a message on eSIM1, that means that conversation will be set to that particular SIM card at that particular time. And then you have the mobile data SIM card. You can choose which SIM card you want to use for mobile data. And then you can enable data switching. Now this means that, let's say you've set eSIM1 as your mobile data SIM card, and then you go to a place that has poor connectivity via eSIM1. By allowing data switching or by enabling it, you're telling your phone that it can switch to the other SIM card in case the default SIM card is experiencing connectivity problems, or you're in a remote place that doesn't have network for that particular SIM card. You're allowing your phone to switch between the two SIM cards depending on connectivity issues. And then you have more SIM settings. Here you can have dual SIM always on. You can have SIM card security, that's for your PIN. You can lock eSIM settings so that someone is not able to come and change or remove your eSIM. And then you have remove all eSIMs. That's basically for deleting all eSIM profiles. So that's basically how to manage a dual SIM Galaxy Z Fold 6. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.